Hello, in this video I'm going to show the AI features that you didn't know about on the OPPO Find X8. Alright, so let's begin. So, there are a few AI features that I think you don't know about, and I'll try to describe them and show them to you. So, when it comes, to the AI features, the most common thing is, of course, the Gemini on the all Android devices. It's like the Siri on the iOS. So, it's pretty well known and it's common, but in this video I'll try to show you other stuff. So, maybe let's begin with the notes. In here we have a first AI feature. First, let's create some notes, and now let's say we are making, I don't know, the list of groceries. So, because we are going, we go shopping, so let's say a list of groceries. We will try to write it with mistakes, so the AI should correct it for us. So, let's say we want, I don't know, pasta, tomato, and I don't know what more, eggs. Maybe let's try to, now with the mistake, with wrong letters. And now let's say, what's more? Maybe let's do some extra space, one line. I don't know, cucumber, okay. What else? Meat. Okay, let's say that's all. Or maybe something with the wrong. Let's say we wanted to write potato, but we write potato as an with mistake. And now, to open up the AI, click on that icon right in here. And now, using the AI assistant for notes, we can click on clean up. So now I think it will help with the mistakes. Not there. Yeah, as you can see now, all of our mistakes that I made have been successfully corrected. So we have potato now, not the potato, and we have eggs, not eggs. So it's pretty cool. We can click on replace. Boom, and now it's cool. But I don't know why it didn't show the list of groceries. So let's try once more. All right, and now let's click on once more to the AI, and let's begin with the format. So we can change the format of that stuff. So now, as you can see, you can see the difference. So the grocery list, those words and those letters are simply bigger, and they are thickened. So that's the heading. So it's proper, and also the AI deleted that free space that was between the pasta and the list of groceries. We can now click on replace, and now it works fine. Generation completed. 3 words were I don't know what, because I didn't read it. And now next thing, for example, we have continue writing. Next thing, boom, as you can see, the AI did the job for us and gave us other examples what we can buy. We can now click on insert, boom, and 118 words has been added. Okay, let's get back to the AI once more. In here we can click on also on elaborate or shorten. So let's say we want to shorten it. Let's wait until the AI did the job. Okay, buy pasta, tomato, eggs, cucumber, meat, potato, onions, blah blah blah. Now we can click on replace, and now it's shortened, as you can see. Now let's try another way. Let's try to elaborate it. Let's wait once more. Boom, and you can see that it's looking pretty nice. Yeah, it's pretty long now. We need to wait until it will be fully generated. So, yeah. We can now click on replace. It's really long now. Now we can also make it formal or the casual. So let's say we want it formal. I don't know how the grocery list can be formal, but it is how it is. You can say now it's generating. Alright, we're not gonna wait that long. Click on discard. Yeah. And last thing is the casual option, how it can look. So let's wait. Yeah, swing by the grocery store and grab some stuff for the week. It sounds cool. It's pretty casual. It's like you would be talking to, I don't know, your best buddy. Alright, so I'm gonna stop generating it. I just have shown you how this option works for the notes, and I think it's pretty cool stuff, so if you want you can play with it. Also, wait a little bit under the refine. Yeah, that's the stuff. Okay. So that's how it is when it comes to the notes. It's pretty cool in my opinion. Now let's take some photos, and I will show you now the AI features that we can use for the photos. So let's say I'll take some photos. Okay. Alright. Let's open up the first photo that I have taken. It's that one. Alright. Now we want to click on edit. And now we have the AI editor right in here. So in here we have 4 options that we can use. And we can enhance the clarity, use the AI eraser, unblur the photo, or remove the reflections. So maybe let's begin with the enhance clarity. You can read about it that editing will remove Pro XDR effects. Pro XDR only supports crop, adjust filters, and watermark. We need to click on got it. And now it's generating, so we need to wait. Also, I will say that on the video you might not see the biggest difference, but we now can click on done. And as we hold on the compare button, we can see that basically the quality is almost the same, but the photo is simply a little bit brighter. I hope you can see it. I think you do. Click on done if you want to save. But in my case, now let's try with other photo. Alright, fine, let's save that photo. Replace original. And next photo. Next photo. In here, let's click on edit, AI editor, and let's use the AI eraser now. Let's click on got it. In here, we can use the smart lasso. So basically, when it comes to that, you need to select the shape, then release your finger to select the part of the screen, but also we can use the page over option, and we can also, for example, remove people from the photos. So I'm gonna use now the smart lasso, and let's try to delete that piece of rubber, which is right now on the screen. Okay, you can now see that the phone automatically selected it, and now boom, you can see that it simply disappeared. Let's click on done. You can now click on compare to see that it's simply out now. But if you take a look, you can see that after the on the place where this piece of rubber was, we have some details that are still in here. But for that, I think we can use the remove reflection option. And now let's wait. until it works. Okay, no, but it's still in here. And when it comes to the remove reflections, of course, if you click on information button, you can see how it's going to look. So basically, remove reflections from glass. I don't have any piece of glass to show you, so you need to believe me, but it option is really cool also. Next, okay, in here we can I want to discard the changes, blah blah blah. I want to get back, and let's take another. Let's select another photo. In here, let's click on Edit and AI Editor, and let's use the Unblur Now option. So now this photo is being unblurred. Let's see what the result will be. Okay, click on Done, and I don't know if there are some differences. So basically, you need to use those options for photos that are blurred. In my case, this photo maybe isn't that blurred, but as I zoom, maybe it's a little bit unblurred right now, but I don't know which photo is actually the enchanted one and which is the original one. No matter. Maybe let's try now this remove reflection option. Maybe something will happen. Oh, but no, but in here we cannot see the difference yet. So I'll leave it also to you to play with those options. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.